Why are human beings inherently emotional about money? And why will the majority be on their deathbed without attaining financial freedom? This is one of the hard-hitting questions, and I'm going to answer honestly as to what I think, and I could be wrong, so I hope people don't get offended when we go to this. But I answer questions to my best of my ability. So I do believe there's three reasons, and it goes into the psychology of money and investing, which I've spent more than 30 years studying. So I'm not a complete newbie, but I'm also not a psychotherapist or therapist or anything like that. But first of all, I do believe there's three reasons that really hold people back. First of all, the symbol of security and status is kind of what money symbolizes to many. And providing a sense of stability and safety also enables kind of social recognition. And this attachment to money, okay, this kind of need for it or yearning for it can lead individuals to making decisions driven by emotion rather than logic, and as they seek to maintain or enhance their perceived security and status. And I've seen this a lot in the world. You've got people that come from, say, abject poverty. They land in a certain place and all of a sudden they rush out and buy things way beyond their means, like Mercedes vehicles and Gucci purses and all that type of stuff. You have some crypto people as well. They showcase wealth, silly brands that cost stupid amounts of money. So that is, people that yearn for that. I think that's one of the things that holds people back. They shouldn't do that. So let's go to point number two. And this is important. So I'm going to spend a few minutes on this, if I may. There's also the influence of past experiences. And that is, it can have a huge role in shaping our emotional relationship with money. For instance, if we have encountered financial hardship during our upbringing, we may develop a negative association with money, potentially leading to things like impulsive spending decisions that I just covered, or risk aversion to financial risks. Like, it can cut both ways. You can have people that kind of YOLO into investments because they want to GRQ, get rich quick. And you've got others that are fearful of investments because maybe they don't trust Elon Musk, they don't like him, or they don't understand battery electric vehicles, they grew up with petrol ones, or Bitcoin, what's actually behind Bitcoin. There's many things that keep people out of life-changing investments too. And that is because of past experiences. Again, it can cut both ways, and the human mind is very complicated. Third one is stress. Money can generate stress as we strive to meet our present and future obligations. Pressure to earn sufficient funds and concerns about future financial security can weigh heavily on minds. And this stress can contribute to making suboptimal financial choices. I'll give you a case in point. Two, not one, but two very good friends of mine. I've been urging them to buy things like Bitcoin and Tesla for like 5 years. And they say, oh, I'm going to wait. It's gone up too much. I'm going to wait for it to come down. It's gone up too much. And then when it goes down like Bitcoin in the winter and $104 Tesla, I say, come on now is the time. Do it. And I say, no, I think it's going to fall further. I'm going to wait. And then it goes to, say Tesla goes from 104 to 250. And then you're on the phone with them again. It's like, so why didn't you get in? Well, now it's too high. I can't buy it. It's run too much. I can't get it. 5 years, tons of opportunities. They're stuck in a rut sitting on cash that's debasing 50% every 10 years. And it's because of the fear, the stress, the fear of not having enough to pay for the future. It keeps them out of these investments. So this is kind of three reasons. And there's probably 100 reasons or 300 reasons. I don't even know. But so, Larry, that's what I see. And also, a lot of this fuels the toxicity on the internet that many of us are exposed to. And as Raoul Pal says, and he'll be on the channel real soon, can't wait, he talks about monkeys flicking poop at each other all the time. This toxicity, I believe, is directly related to those 3 points as well. So, deep question. Sorry for dwelling too much on it, but I think we can all take something away. Sometimes I call it, running into a burning building like a brave fireman. You have to take on risk to generate return. Okay, enough on that psychology.